In this proposition, we construct a sixth apotome. Let A be rational and E, B plus D, and D be numbers not having to each other ratios of square numbers. Finally, let E to B plus D be proportional to A squared to F plus H squared, and B plus D to D be proportional to F plus H squared to H squared. E to B plus D is a ratio of numbers, so A squared to F plus H squared is as well, so A squared and F plus H squared are commensurable. A is rational, so A squared, F plus H squared, and F plus H are rational. E to B plus D is not a ratio of square numbers, so neither is A squared to F plus H squared, so A and F plus H are incommensurable. Similarly, B plus D to D is a ratio of numbers, so F plus H squared to H squared is as well, and H squared and F plus H squared are commensurable. F plus H is rational, so F plus H squared, and H are rational. But B plus D to D is not a ratio of square numbers, so neither is F plus H squared to H squared, so H and F plus H are incommensurable. H and F plus H are rational, but commensurable in square only, so F plus H minus H is an apotome, and we'll show that it is a sixth apotome. Since E to B plus D is proportional to A squared to F plus H squared, and B plus D to D is equal to F plus H squared to H squared, the exequaly ratio is E to D being proportional to A squared to H squared. E to D is not a ratio of square numbers, so neither is A squared to H squared, so A and H are incommensurable. Let K squared equal F plus H squared minus H squared. Since B plus D to D is proportional to F plus H squared to H squared, B plus D to B is proportional to F plus H squared to K squared. B plus D to B is not a ratio of square numbers, so neither is F plus H squared to K squared, so K and F plus H are incommensurable. Thus overall, F plus H and H are incommensurable with the given rational A, and the whole F plus H is incommensurable with the side of the whole squared minus the annex squared, so F plus H minus H equaling F is a sixth apotome. An example of a sixth apotome is 2/3 root 21 minus 4/3 root 3 with 4/3 root 3 as its annex.